So, in my eyes, this needs to be settled. So right now, I'm about to put my money where my mouth is, guys. I got $10,000 right here. I want to see these two pull. I will give $10,000 to the winner of that match. Now, make it be clear. The only one getting paid that day is the winner. I want these guys to have the incentive to come in 100%. I don't want to hear no excuses no more. All I want to know, who really is the king of North America.
I just got done watching Paul Italia's video about the potential Jerry Cadorette matchup versus me, the old jalopy. Thank you. Yes, I personally accept. Okay, here are my conditions. True to my word, I'll use Jerry as part of my training for the real match, which is coming up for me on 6th of May. Again. My word. I'll use Jerry as part of my training for the real match, which is coming up for me on 6th of May.